Hey you guys, how are you guys doing today? Hey Team Day Day, I'm back with another YouTube video. Hope you guys had a great weekend. There is one thing I want to talk to you guys about. I'm just decided to make this a quick and simple YouTube video. And I am, but I recently went it's this thing that I subscribe to on YouTube. It's called If Disney is Ratchet. If you do not know it, go see it. It's funny. It's funny how they did the Disney characters and all of that. But yeah, but it's very funny. But whenever you get a chance, go see it. You're gonna love it. But since it was my birthday week and I finally was able to get me a jean jacket, something I always wanted. But I decided, to go and get me a hoodie. One of the hoodies from If Disney Was Ratchet. So I'm gonna pull it out and I'm gonna let you guys see the results because it's like right here. So I'm gonna pull it out. Yeah, I saw it on there and I said I had to get this. Here it is. Oh, this one comes with it. Okay. So this is this, and then you say Queen of the Ratchet. Isn't that nice? And oh, this is how they look. They don't look like it did on the thing. Well, still nice. And here's another one. So just want to say shout outs to the Queen of the Ratchet. Thank you so much. Continue to make me laugh like you normally do. And that's basically all I have to say and put out there. Y'all have a great week. Keep things, wash your hands. Make sure you do not be around anybody that's sick. And y'all be safe. This coronavirus is really acting a fool. But y'all be safe. Y'all be blessed. Bye-bye.